So we are on the Carnival Sunshine and we are going into room 7322. This is the corner aft balcony. So this room is pretty big and has 3 nice windows, which is very nice. Has a king size bed, has your TV and all the normal stuff, fridge. Over here we have closets with shelves and your safe. Then we have another closet which has hangers and a shelf. And then this is your third closet with hangers and shelf at the top and bottom. Like I said, this is the view while in Norfolk. So this is the bed. It has an end table on both sides. It has reading lights and it has the switch to turn on and off the lights when you're in the bed. It has a couch, pool towels. Here's the restroom. If you've been on cruises before, you know the restroom's small. So we have the vanity with some shelves on both sides. The commode, towels, and shower gel and shampoo is provided. We always tell people to bring their own if you have a preference. And then we always like a nice clothesline. So then for the grand show, we have the outside balcony space. So this is the view. And meet my family. There's my mom, has a nice lounge chair and a regular chair. Meet Grumpy Gill's dad. Chairs. Another chair. Another lounge chair, Sean. And yeah, so it's a huge panoramic deck. It's big. So that's it. What's your room again?
7322.
7322 on the Carnival Sunshine. All right, bye guys.